Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a micro review. That's what I'm going to call it. We got Micro Thursdays, where we're going to do like Thursdays are going to be like smaller videos, quicker videos. You know, it's somewhere between like the 5 to 10 minute area, where I just get to do a quick review that can help you change your choice in buying items. So yeah. Today's review is the Nothing Ears 2. These are wireless Bluetooth earbuds made by the makers of Nothing, the Nothing Phone, and recently the Nothing Phone 2. Ugh. Getting lost in YouTube recommendations? Get subscribed because a lot of y'all aren't, so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll go back in the tunnel. If you remember, I'll pop it up on the screen here, I made a review on AirPod Pros for an Android user. And I believe that there was a lot of good things I liked, and then there was a lot of bad things. And I've been using these since release day, and I think that these are some of the best Bluetooth earbuds you can get on the market right now. I've always been a Bluetooth earbud person. I think that headphones look stupid on me because of my small head. So I think my first set of earbuds was, some random Chinese brand. But when I really got into Bluetooth audio, I started out with the Samsung Buds. And then I got the Buds Plus, and then I got the AirPod Pros. I did the video on those, and I liked them, except they kept breaking. And so I ended up getting those replaced, selling them to a friend, and then I got the Galaxy Buds Pros. I really liked them, other than that they sat really deep in the ear and the touch controls were kind of hit or miss. So then from those, I had the Buds Pro for like a year or two, and then I bought these when they released because I needed a new set of headphones sooner or later, and these looked like the perfect set. So these are basically AirPod Pros for the Android market. These have really good build quality. The hinge is metal. There's like no wiggle. If you take these out, you can stick them in your ears. And then you have your stems here that you can capacitive touch to do everything. Things I like. I like having an actual button-like control. They don't sit in the ears very deeply, like the Galaxy Buds or any of the circular ones. They kind of sit within the eardrum, kind of like the AirPod Pros, so they really get a big pass when it comes to comfortability, and they stay in my ear very well. Whenever it rains here, if I'm outside and I'm wearing earbuds, my Galaxy Bud Pros would actually just slip out. With these, I was outside when it was really raining, and they stayed in, no problem. So that's a good thing. The next thing is I think they look sick. It's a transparent design. They just released, I think, the black versions of these, I think a month later. I like the white ones. I would have probably gone for the black ones, to be fair. I tend to listen to music almost every day for around 30 minutes with earbuds in. That can vary, but for the most part, it's about 30 minutes a day. I've only charged these about 3 times, roughly. Whenever I listen to music, I usually only listen to music in just one earbud, purely because I'm out and about, and I don't want to have both ears blocked, because I have a problem where I have to always hear myself, or else I feel like I'm isolated. Speaking of isolation, they have noise canceling. Noise canceling is pretty good. I would say that they're not quite as good as the Galaxy Bud Pros, but they're good enough to where any sort of annoying sounds are mostly going to be gone. The ambient mode is good. There's not really any customization on the ambient mode, but it sounds natural for the most part, and it's loud enough to where it's usable. Control or transparency control Everything else is great. When I use noise canceling, I use the adaptive. Recently released a super in-depth equalizer, and I actually have my own custom preset. I tend to listen to all kinds of music, other than like very niche. But like I listen to rock, pop, K-pop. By K-pop, I mean BGA by Ryan Higa, country, metal, heavy rock, rap from time to time, reggaeton. I listen to all those, and these sound great on the default profile, but I have made my own custom profile, which keeps the bass, but it cleans up the mids and the highs. If you're interested in trying out that, you can actually scan this code right here, and it should download it to your Nothing app if you have Nothing Ear 2s, or I think the Nothing Sticks also work. So you can try that out. So the app is great. So let's get to the bad part. The bad part with this is mostly minor. So on the Galaxy Buds Pros, on the ear tips, you probably can't see it, but on the ear tips on the Galaxy Bud Pros, you'll probably see a picture next to me. There's actually a grill on the ear tip so that no gunk gets into the actual grill on the Nothing Bud, or on the earbud. These don't have that, and neither did the AirPod Pros. And I had a problem with the AirPod Pros where one earbud would get a little too quiet. And it's starting to happen on these. Basically what happens is, like, if I forget to clean the earbuds out, 1 week, the earwax can actually get into the grill of the actual earbud and muffle it, So that's the one bad thing. And it would have been a cheap, like 10, 15 cent fix if they just added a grill to the earpiece, or the ear tips. Other than that, these are some darn good earbuds. And honestly, if you can get them on sale for less than the 150 or 160 that they sell for, buy them. Especially if you use an Android. I personally think that they're amazing. They're well worth the price, and they have almost no cons. Another small con is the microphone quality, but they're a lot better than most other earbuds. I'll go ahead after this video. You'll have a quick mic quality that you can hear. But yeah, Nothing Ear 2s, great headphones, well worth the price, better than Studio Buds Plus. There will be another video coming out on Saturday, as well as the Temo Tuesday coming up. I'm going to try and stick to a 3-week schedule. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is the microphone quality with the Nothing Ear 2s in a perfectly quiet scenario. I'm now going to reach over and turn on my fan. I am now talking into the Nothing Ear 2s with a fan going, and how is the noise suppression?